Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade black burgundy. The way that we...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to your girl Simply Create. My name is Candace. If you're new here, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that bell notification so that you will know when I'm uploading my newest videos. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so guys, my last video, I know it's been a while. Sorry, okay? Sorry. Anyways, my last video, I told you guys I had just got accepted into the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Well, yes, I got my first free sample, and now I kind of know what to do about getting samples. And I did make a post of a video on TikTok asking, for a little help. And, just kind of getting started with trying to get stuff in order to promote. And I did not know, guys, that you can look around your house, see what they are selling on TikTok Shop, and if you have the same thing or something super similar, just like it, you can use that product to go ahead and promote on TikTok Shop. But anyways, I haven't done that yet, but I did receive my first free sample, and I gotta say, I will put the video right here, and I will also list it in the link or link it in my description box. But that so far has not got me any sales, but it has gotten me over, I think I'm at 43,000 views on that particular video. And when I say the main thing I feel like helps to get as many views is the hashtags and the music. If you use music or whatever, if you have like a catchy dialogue. I did a catchy dialogue with my first video. I did too. With my first video, I did kind of like a catchy dialogue, little script. That was cute. But my second one, I used a very popular song, and that's the one that's gaining me almost 43,000, if not more. Almost 43,000. Matter of fact, guys, let me put it up here so you guys can see. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm at 45, guys. 45,000 views. Okay? Yeah. So I've got that, and I've got my second. I just received my second collab. This is the oil. I am right now in the middle of doing a video for that. So I'm going to try to find another catchy, popular song, and I'm going to do probably like 2 or 3 videos. So one is just going to be music only, and the other one is going to be a script just to talk about this product right here. So I will say it's been a slow start. I have not put as much energy in this as I should, and that's my fault. Y'all know how I do. Anyways, yeah, so let me put more energy into this TikTok Shop thing. I don't know how much longer TikTok gonna be around, because they talking about the whole ban again. Yeah, anyways, guys, so yeah, I just wanted to come out here and to let you guys know that I have been receiving samples, and it's been pretty good. It's been pretty good working. Like I said, if you're doing a TikTok Shop, if you're in the affiliate program, I will say go ahead and do it to a popular song and also a catchy script if you can. So yeah, I'm trying to think, guys, what else? That's all I got for now. I know I've been hustling and bustling and just doing a little bit of everything. My coffee cup gang, me and my husband's YouTube channel is now live. We're doing coffee reviews. If you like coffee, I will be sure to also link that below too, so you can check that out. And that's all I got. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in to this quick little update. What your girl been up to, a little bit of everything. Y'all know how I do. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.